Welcome to another lecture of how to add feature collection on your front page store, dropshipping store. So for this you have to click on add section, and from here just click feature collection. Once you will click it, you will see feature collection here, and on the right side you can call feature jewelry like this, and then you can select a collection like jewelry chain. All the products in the jewelry chain will be appear here. Jewelry organizer, and then jewelry set, right, like this. And then you can make changes to the products to show. Maximum you want to show 2 products, it will be like this, or you want to show 4, or you want to show 8. So it will be up to you that how many products you want to show. I think 4 is the best to fit on here. And then you can make these things. Enable swipe on mobile if you are on mobile side. If you enable swipe on mobile, then it will be swipeable content like this, and then you can come back on desktop, and then you can adopt product card, adopt to image, portrait, adopt to image, show second image on hover. So in here you see image hovers are working. And then you can also show vendor if you want, show product rating if you want to show product rating with some reviews apps. We will see how to add reviews later in this series of lectures. So here these are some paddings like 60 or 36. So this was the section of feature collection. Don't forget to click on save, and we will be previewing it now on live store. So here you can see we have this thing ready. Under this we have this feature collection, and we have view all button. Once you click on view all, you will be on this. So this was the video on how to add feature collections inside your theme customization. Thanks for watching. Bye.